Tecno Spark Go 2021 is priced at Rs 7,299 for the sole 2GB plus 32GB storage model that is offered in Galaxy Blue, Horizon Orange, and Maldives Blue colors. It will be available for purchase via Amazon starting July 7th at 12 p.m. Tecno has an introductory offer for the phone wherein it will be priced at Rs 6,699 at launch, till stocks last. The phone is backed by a 5,000 mAh battery. Tecno Spark Go 2021 features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display. The dual SIM Nano Tecno Spark Go 2021 runs Android 10 Go edition. It features a 6.52-inch HD Plus 720 x 1600 pixels top-notch display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 480 nit peak brightness. The phone is powered by the quad-core MediaTek Helio A20 SoC with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage. The storage is expandable via micro SD card, up to 256GB. In terms of optics, Tecno Spark Go 2021 packs a dual rear camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.8 lens. Details for the secondary camera are unclear. At the front, the notch houses the 8-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. Connectivity options on Tecno Spark Go 2021 include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth v4.2, and more. Sensors on board include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and a proximity sensor. There is a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner as well. Tecno Spark Go 2021 is backed by a 5,000 mAh battery, with no mention of fast charging. In terms of dimensions, the phone measures 165.6 x 76